In this video, I'm going to talk about what is 17 Hats and walk you through some of the features that the system offers. Hi everyone, I'm Laney. I'm a wedding invitation designer, and I also love to teach other creatives how to run profitable, successful, and streamlined businesses. So when we talk about streamline, the biggest thing you can do to streamline a creative business is to go with a client management system. These things, it's called client management, but they do so much more than that. And I have reviews of a few other ones on my channel if you want to check those out. Today we're talking about 17 Hats. So let me show you everything that 17 Hats can do for your business to help you save time and money and just look really professional to your clients. Okay, once I log in here, you can see so much on this dashboard. We have a calendar, we have some helpful things to get started, which I love, the weather, who knows, tasks, client activity, and then pending items, which is great. It tells you what you need to take care of today. So this client management system is organized by client. Some of them are organized more by project, but I feel this one is really organized by client, which is why your contacts are up here. So you'll go in here, add a contact. There's a couple different ways you can do it. The basic one, really fast, really easy. You can tag them in whatever makes sense for your business. So once you go into the client, you can actually add a new project, or you can see another your old projects. So say, Laney, this is me, has already done wedding invitations, and now we're gonna do like baby shower invites, and I have a budget of $50,000. Yay. And then you could tag it like baby shower in case you're keeping track of the different types of invitations or products that you're doing. We'll put the date in here, make a random date. And then you can decide if you want the client portal to be on or off. I'll kind of show you what that looks like. And then you have your projects, and you can see all of those over here in the project tab at any point. So this project is not all of Laney's work. It's just for the baby shower invites, which is really helpful that you can divide it that way. And then the client portal is what this client is going to see. It's really fun. I mean, this looks really simple, but they'll just have all the event details. These are other projects that we've done with that same client. And then your information, which I can include for them in case they need it. Any documents that we add into this project will show in the client portal. Clients really love this because they can see balances due, they can see past quotes, they can see, working design files for me if that's part of your business. And then it's really easy to update what they can and can't see in the client portal just using this drop down, which I love. You can even turn off that old project if you want. So in documents, you can upload any kind of files that you want, but you can also create a certain amount of documents in here, which include things like events. Questionnaires really common for me because that's how I collect information from them about their design preferences, their wedding date, all the details that go into their wedding invitation suite. So you can do a questionnaire here, and of course you can select from any of your templates, which are edited up here in this documents and emails tab. So for instance, if I click on this one, we have a template that's got some short answers, some yes or no, some dates, all that kind of stuff. And if you want to edit any of your templates or create a new one, you can just add any of these questions. I love that you can add an image here or a text or a lot of different options. And then you can click to save this as a new template. So if you make a change in this job, it's only going to change within this project. It's not going to change the entire template, but if you want it to, you can just save as a new template or update the existing template, or you can do neither. So we'll just save it within only this project. And that's what it'll look like for Laney when she sees it, the other Laney. Within this project, you also have emails that you can send, and you can always use a template. So the templates are things that you can set. They have some standard ones in here. Again, you can always upload these by going up into this documents and emails section that says all of your different emails. Let's check one out and see what it looks like. So this one says, hi, first name, thanks for scheduling your consultation. You're confirmed for project date at whatever time. So this is anything in your business that you're answering the same questions twice or sending the same emails to every client. I provide resources in mine such that, hey, here's wedding invitation resources. Here's your address template that you can go ahead and start filling out because I'm going to need that when we get to addressing your invitations. And these fields that are green are kind of like merge fields, if you've ever used that. That'll be tokens in 17 Hats, and there's a lot of different options here. You can also create custom mapped fields. I have another video about how to do that in Dubsado, and it's really similar here, and it's under this custom fields dialog. So we're gonna go back into my baby shower invites. I'm not pregnant. Don't let anyone think this is a pregnancy announcement. So you can send a new email, either a custom one, or if you just click on the template, it'll go ahead and fill that in for you. One of my favorite things to do is send later. You can schedule a time. So if I'm working on a new design proof in the, 10 o'clock at night, I just finish it. It's hard for me to sleep after I send it over because I'm stressed. So I'll send it over at 8 the next morning. So they get it that morning, and then I'm not stressed because I know they don't have it yet. I'm not worried about what they're thinking yet. So I do love that feature. And then there's so much else you can do here, but I wanted to just kind of go over the basics. And then the coolest part of this is that you can actually automate some of these things. So workflows are automated features. So we'll just say Laney's workflow, and you can do whatever works for your business here. But just as an example, we'll add an action here, which is sending an email. So we can click on, it's this appointment confirmation, and you can either send it automatically, or it can be something that I have to approve. So whenever that happens, I'll get a notification saying, hey, you need to approve before this will send, just in case there's something that, I just want that final touch. And I can do that confirmation, 5 days after activating the work date, or you can do it by the base date of the project. So if the baby shower is, on May 10th, I can have it set something up that sends maybe 2 weeks after that, just saying, hey, I hope you enjoyed your baby shower. Here's a link to review my services. And I'd love to see any pictures if you get them from a photographer, that kind of thing. So workflows are awesome. They'll happen with or without your approval, depending on how you set it. But what's cool is you can just kind of leave it. They're going to automatically do things. So some of those emails that you send to everyone with resources, thanking them for joining your workflow family, you can do all of that stuff automatically, so you don't even have to think about it. There's so many other things that you can do in client management systems. I wanted to quickly just show you this brand preferences tab where you can change like your logo, your fonts and colors so that it looks a little bit more like you. And something I love about 17 Hats is you can do a subdomain and you can set that to whatever you want as long as it's not taken. So when they go to any of my forms, it doesn't just say 17 Hats. It does say, D by L or designbylany.17hats.com, and that's really nice. I hope this was a good intro to 17 Hats. It's really cool, all the different things that the system can do. And I also have some videos and tutorials on other systems if you want to check those out while you're here using the CRM CMS playlist that I'll link in the corner for you. I do have a discount link if you want to sign up for 17 Hats. It'll get you 10% off of your subscription. So check that out in the description of this video. I'll try to link it in the corner for you as well. Let me know what questions you have, if there's any features you want me to dive deeper into, or if there's any other client management systems that you'd like me to review.